Hello boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to install and use a Google app called Kami. This app will allow you to take notes, highlight, add text, and much more in a PDF file. So go ahead and launch your Chrome browser. We're going to go up to the search and you're going to type in Chrome Web Store because this is where we download our apps from. Go ahead and click on the first link for the web store. Once it loads, in your search the store, type in the name of the app, Kami. It's spelled K-A-M-I. Press enter. And it should be the first app that loads. It's called Kami, formerly Notable PDF. We're going to go to the blue bar where it says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to ask you one more time. You're going to click on Add App. And once it loads, it's going to be with all the rest of your Chrome apps. So we're going to go ahead and launch Kami. So you just click on it by opening it up. Once it starts to load, it'll ask you to either log in. We're going to today sign in with our Google account because we're in our Google accounts already. Click on the red box that says sign in with Google. And once you launch it, it allows you to upload files from your computer or drag and drop. The one we're going to be using is the Google Drive sync because I'll be pushing out the PDF files through Classroom, so you'll have them in your Drive. Go ahead and click on Google Drive. You're going to search for the passage that I passed out called Alternative Energy. As soon as you start typing it, it should populate. The PDF will now be loaded within this app, and so now this app allows us to annotate on top. When you load in your app, you can see that the PDF, you can scroll in, it has all the way, the whole file is loaded. These are your icons on the side to use to annotate. Just a caution, the bottom icons we won't be able to use because we have a free account. Let me go over the icons really quickly for you. The first one is highlight. You can select the color, and if you wanted to highlight a specific word, you just highlight it and it'll make it that color. The second one is to cross out text, so I'm going to change my color. If there, for some reason, you want to cross out text, you can do that as well. The third icon is to underline, so let's scroll a little bit. If you were going to underline one of the key vocabulary words, you can go ahead and underline. If for any reason you want to get rid of it, you hover over it and it allows you to copy, make a note through a chat box, or you can delete it right there. The next one is the chat box window where it allows you to, I'm going to change the color this time. It allows you to make a note and you can type in a note. So if you were collaborating with someone else, you can write in your notes, or you can say, I think this is the main idea, and it adds in kind of like a post-it. If my next icon is the text icon, so I can go anywhere within my PDF and I can type in my text right here, and I can say this paragraph is mainly about, and I can fill it in, so it allows me to annotate right on top. And the last icon that we still have available is the drawing mode, and again you can select the color, and if you would like, this is a freehand, so if you in case wanted to draw in the drawing mode, you can do that as well. We'll be doing annotations on PDFs with this app. Once you are ready and you have your annotations made, you're going to come up to this icon right here for the download, and it says, how would you like to export your file? We're always going to select Google Drive because we're going to be pushing it back into the classroom, and you have the options at the bottom to keep it original without annotations, annotations on top, on the side. We're going to do always annotations on top so I can see the changes you've made, and we're going to select Google Drive and then begin export. And it may take a few seconds depending on how big the file is, but now that file with your annotations is in Google Drive, and when I ask for you to post your work in the classroom, it'll be there already. So if you want to get back to the app, remember, always launch your Chrome apps, and Kami will be right there. So this is the app we'll be using to annotate PDFs. Thank you.